Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a massive topic, the Bitcoin Reserve Act, and what it could mean for the future of crypto. Could this legislation finally break Bitcoin's 4-year boom-bust cycle? Could we even see the mythical super cycle play out? Stick around because this one is big. Before we jump in, a quick announcement. This is our final video for the year, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you for making 2024 an amazing year for this channel. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now let's dive in. What is the Bitcoin Reserve Act? The Bitcoin Reserve Act, introduced by Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis, is a bold proposal. It would allow the U.S. government to purchase 200,000 BTC annually over 5 years, amassing a staggering 1 million Bitcoin to be held for at least 20 years. If passed, this legislation would position Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, much like gold or oil, giving it unprecedented legitimacy as part of the U.S. Treasury. Trump's role in the crypto landscape. Speculation is swirling that incoming President Donald Trump might sign an executive order to establish a Bitcoin reserve as early as his first day in office. In a recent interview, Trump was asked if the U.S. would create a BTC reserve similar to its oil reserves, and he responded, "Yes, I think so." While an executive order could jumpstart the process, it wouldn't be as stable as legislation passed through Congress. Still, with Republicans controlling Congress and holding a slim Senate majority, the Bitcoin Reserve Act has a real shot at becoming law. The potential for a global domino effect. If the U.S. adopts the Bitcoin Reserve Act, it could ignite a global race for Bitcoin reserves. Countries like Russia, Thailand, and Germany are already reportedly considering similar measures. According to crypto experts, this would mark a turning point for Bitcoin adoption and create an unprecedented demand for the digital asset. Bassel Ismail, CEO of Block Circle, calls it one of the most bullish events in crypto history, predicting a FOMO-fueled buying spree among nations. Could the supercycle finally happen? For years, crypto enthusiasts have speculated about a supercycle, a prolonged bull market where Bitcoin's price skyrockets without the usual crashes. Could the Bitcoin Reserve Act make this dream a reality? Many experts are cautiously optimistic. Alex Kruger, a macroeconomist, compares this moment to when the U.S. abandoned the gold standard in 1971, triggering gold's meteoric rise. Others point out that institutional investors and government involvement could stabilize Bitcoin's historically volatile price swings. Still, the supercycle theory has burned believers in the past. Just look at the 2017 and 2021 bull runs. Both ended with dramatic price crashes despite promises of mainstream adoption. How this changes the game. If governments start accumulating Bitcoin, it could fundamentally alter the market dynamics. Stabilization. Large-scale long-term buyers like governments could reduce price volatility. New investors. Institutional players with deep pockets and advanced risk strategies would bring a different mindset compared to retail investors. Global adoption. As more countries compete for Bitcoin reserves, broader adoption could skyrocket. However, some analysts caution that this won't erase price cycles entirely. Instead, we might see less dramatic swings between bull and bear markets. Final thoughts. The Bitcoin Reserve Act has the potential to change the crypto landscape forever. Whether it breaks the 4-year cycle, triggers a supercycle, or simply stabilizes the market, one thing is clear. Bitcoin is entering a new era. What do you think? Will the Bitcoin Reserve Act be a game changer, or is this just another hype cycle? Let me know in the comments. As we wrap up the year, I want to thank all of you for an incredible 2024. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to bring you more exciting content in 2025. Have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and here's to a crypto-powered future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Until next year, stay curious and keep stacking sats.